Alright, so after the recent update from Apple, the device has been running a little bit hot. Not little bit, but it's uh, really hot that the battery is draining really fast compared to before. So I didn't want to downgrade back to the old version. I just want to keep this because I really like the interface and the overall look. Also, uh, it seems to be working fast. Everything, like my workflow was doing better. So I was trying to find a solution for this, and thanks to this person, it was in an Apple forum. This person mentioned that the reason for this is the spotlight search. So I did try. After turning this off, it was going back to normal. The heat was reducing. I literally felt it. So right now my device is running really like usual, like before. So what you have to do here is turn this off, and literally turn everything here off, especially this stuff here. And here on mine, I am keeping the apps on and the calculator on because I prefer to just do like this if I need to do some calculations for accessibility. And for the apps also, I would prefer to search the app that I need than scrolling through all the apps that I have. So it really depends on your preference. So best thing to do is get here, just go to your settings, and then under spotlight you can tick off the things that you don't need, especially this stuff from the results from the system. That's what's draining mostly. It's okay to keep the notes on, and the rest is up to you. So yeah, hope this will help. I'm not sure on others whether this will work or not. On mine it worked, so I decided to share this. Hope this helps. Thanks, see you in the next one.